Halo guys, welcome to kampus kita, ruang dialog Sivitas Akademika. Okay, we have the guest. What's your name?
My name is Azima.
Azima. Okay. Yeah, Azima, I want to know about you more. Before we meet at campus, you are one student, right?
Yeah, correct.
What semester are you running right now?
Fourth semester.
Fourth semester. Cool. And then I want to know about your activity, about your job.
Okay, sure. So at the first of my day in the early morning, which is I usually wrap up some things that I done yesterday to catch up with my team, and because currently I'm doing two project actually. So at like 9 a.m. I'm doing catch up with my team in Indonesia, and then also the CEO from the Japan.
Japan,
Because actually my company is advisor company.
Advice company
Yeah,
for programming.
For software programming also.
Software programming. Oh, very awesome. And then I want to know about what's the name for your company you're running right now.
Yes, currently I'm working at Fauzi Rahman company at Singapore.
Singapore. It's one for web design or programmer also.
A lot of things
Lot of
that we can do. Actually, from the business perspective, in also doing to the software development.
Which country are specifically for your client?
Multi-regional actually, but for example, from the Philippines, and then also we've been collaborate with German, and then Russia, and then currently we collaborating
Oh, this
more
one
with
global client.
yeah, correct.
Oh, this can you tell me one project, how many day or how many month you can make the completed one?
For the one project.
One project.
So actually, for the how much we earn for the project, actually based about the agreement. Some project we get based from the phase that we done. Actually, like phase one, and then we get the money, and then the phase two we finish, and then we get the money, and then for the current client from the Japan, it is actually based for the monthly.
The monthly, yeah. Every month you complete, they have completed the project and pay to you.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah. And then Azima, how you can become employee work with the other country company? Can you tell me about the tips step by step you can join? Because I know maybe young people from other Madira or young people in other campus like your age, they join with the company, and then it should be him know what the step very important to join.
Okay. So the first thing is I want to mention is about the mindset, because we don't need to wait until we perfect in English,
Yes.
or we wait until we have some great machines such as we have MacBook, something like that.
No, become more
We can
perfect.
just if we have opportunity from the people like this have a job that we can apply on the another country, because in this year actually the remote job is quite easy because I was working at 2024, which is it is the tech winter, so it's a bit hard to get a job actually. So
Only starting almost 2 years maybe.
2 years, 3 years, correct. And then if you get that opportunity, just take it. I mean, so you will learn by doing. So I think that's the advice that I can get for the people
This
who
means you
try.
take the experience first.
Yeah, correct.
Experience more better than salary you get it. Yes. Yeah, I'm very happy also. I share with you, you work in other country, even you do it only by this one remote job.
Mhm.
This is very awesome. And then, how many country at your team you have the friend work with you together?
Yeah. So actually, for my technical team,
Mhm.
which is the development team, it is a lot, still a lot from the Indonesia.
Mhm.
But for the project manager, for the example, it is from the Malaysia.
Mhm.
And then my director is in Singapore, but he actually from the India. And then
India.
And then the CTO, my CTO is also from the Indonesia.
Oh, yes, very nice. And then, yeah, we know in the global company, I see, especially in IT company, India is majority, right?
Correct.
Can you tell me why India become the majority for IT?
Okay, so from my opinion, because for the Indian they have I mean great mindset, because of what I see here is the Indonesia and the Indian that doesn't have a lot of difference from the technical field, right? But they have mindset that just try, just try. So they have such a mental like that. But for the Indonesian people, what I see is they have a lot of nervous or
Nervous.
scared about try to
Think first to try something, become understanding.
Yeah, correct. That's the point.
Yeah, so guys, if you want become the professional IT, work in other country in the big company, you take the salary double digit or triple digit. Believe me, if you do it first, don't be nervous, pride, and yeah, you go ahead first.
Correct.
And then next, Ajima, why you choose join with the Mandira?
Okay, that's a good
Do
question.
you have the reason?
Okay, so I think this is very long of story before I'm joining with Stemic Madira. For my, I want to tell to you that I actually have a mentor that actually from student from Madira,
Yeah.
and then he get the master degree in Liverpool, which is
Oh, Liverpool.
yeah, correct. So I think for the campus, there is no how to say the big deals for
Big deals.
for the first degree. So you can just try to get the experience as much as possible you can get, and then on the master degree, you can get the university from the other country, because I think on the first on my first look at Civic Madira, I also like okay, I think this university is quite good. And then my mentor is just say like you just get the experience from what do you do in job, and then get the fundamentals, make your foundational in programming in university. And then after you doing all of that, you can just go aboard for university.
Oh, yeah. Very cool. Can you mention to me who is the name for the one can recommend to you to join with Mandira?
Okay, so
Who is this guy?
his name is Fauzi Rahman. Actually,
Rahman.
he is my mentor and told me about how I handle work, and then also he not told me about how to write a code, but actually taught me about the attitude, and then what should I do when in this early age, because uh, when you go to the office, you need to leave your ego at the door. because you cannot just if you get a problem, you say, I'm creating this. I know all about the problem. You don't know nothing. So that does not work.
Yeah, I know. That's why, guys, like we talk with Azima, he the one student in Madira, Stevie Madira. He had to comment, we are the professional mentor, professional teacher to guiding you become success. Like me also, I have the experience 5 years Saudi Arabia, I do one technician before, but right now I become the English teacher also, but I'm English technical. That's why if you need searching for the campus good or have the mentor experience other country, don't worry, choose Madinah. Yeah, we have like you. You also comfort to study here.
Yeah, correct.
We have the two languages to study, as me also. And then Azima, what do you feel if you work with abroad the country, or you compare with the Indonesia country working in local here? Which one the more better?
Which more better?
In your mind, it's your opinion.
Okay, I think just in top of my head,
Mhm.
there is nothing different because
Nothing different.
yeah, because there's have different difficulty that I need to
Mhm.
and then they have different problem that I need to solve. For the example, also the culture.
Culture.
Yeah, for the example, if I'm working with client in Singapore, they very care about the cost, efficiency, and time. It's very fast. So it's just like if they say like, Azima, can you fix these issues? Oh, sure. What do you expect? I can fix this. But can you fix this by end of the day? I was like, give me a second. I don't know the issues yet, but
Style for the people from other countries. See, you have the potential. They not cannot waiting more time, but the time is very important.
Yeah,
for-
correct.
For the people other country before. So I had one client from the Australian name is Mr. Mustafa.
Mhm.
He mixed blood from Lebanon and then now become the nationality Singapore, sorry, Australia.
Mhm.
He also, if I promise to this guy what the product 1 month, before 1 month he can post. But if we make it the more 1 month, we have the penalty.
Ah, I see.
This is the dealing with you with the people from other country.
Correct.
On time is number one.
Correct.
They say to me, he say to me also, time kill everything.
Correct.
That's why if you want to make it a business with other people from other country, make it a professional, should be on time.
Correct. Agree.
Okay, can you have the advice to other?
Okay, so my advice for this
Yes.
is actually just how to say follow the culture of the
Culture.
yeah, follow the culture the country that you working on,
Country.
because they have some culture that we cannot they cannot following us, but we following their culture.
Yes.
So for example, I'm also working with Japanese. Japanese is also very very detailed. Yeah, so that's a different environment culture that I need to switch between Singapore and Japanese. So
Yes.
sometimes it's a bit overwhelmed, but by over time, I'm comfortable with it.
Yes, you should be more comfortable because if you work, you have the big responsibility with you,
Correct.
and then you have work like a team, not work alone. And before, so remember when I was working in Lexus company, I was with Jamil, Saudi Arabia.
Mhm.
I'm only the one in Indonesia in one group. My group is all Philippine.
Okay.
And then the Philippine also works very so hard.
Mhm.
But me also, I work, I follow Philippine. That's why if you have the complaint from the client, especially Arab, it's very sensitive.
I see.
Very, yeah, always angry. He not thinking about the price or the service, but the problem is If you not on time, you delay, this is become the problem.
Correct. Correct.
That's why communication, like English, this one is also is very very important because you can minimize about the complaint, you can explaining about what is your job, and then have the remarks if you have for next job or calling order. This is also very important.
Mhm.
Okay, Ajima, what is your activity behind your job?
Okay. When I'm not doing my job, actually, I love to reading a fiction or a psychology book.
Why?
So, because it makes me, it can help me learning in English as well. Because I'm not just reading using my eye, but also speaking out loud. So my tongue will be how to say, will comfortable with English.
Comfortable.
Yeah. So that's what I do, and then another. I'm usually just taking my motorcycle around Bandung.
Touring.
No, just
Solo?
refresh.
Solo riding or
Yeah.
investment. You see panorama.
Yeah, correct.
Because this is, we have many this one uh, mountain and also this one farm for the tea
Yeah, correct.
like Ciwidey or like Pangalengan also, and I visit it was very beautiful.
Yes, very beautiful.
I am not found in another country before when I visit to Malaysia,
Mhm.
I visit to Qatar, Dubai, Bahrain, or Arab Saudi.
Yeah.
I'm not found it. That's why I love Bandung. We have the good weather
Mhm.
and then good view.
Yeah, correct. Agree.
Okay. And then you tell me you are the one mentor for the taekwondo, right?
Yeah, actually, when I am like 6 years old, I was joining taekwondo.
Mhm.
Then I'm also how to say uh, uh,
What belt? This one? What belt?
oh, for that
The last
we,
one.
we say that dan trick.
Don't trick.
It is the
What the color is this one?
black.
Oh, black. Oh, you like master, right?
No. So I would stop taekwondo like at 15 years old, 50 years old,
Mhm.
because I was just too tired, and then I need to focus on my study at school.
Study,
So
so-
I just decide to stop, and then just 1 hour later, I want to become a programmer. Then
Oh, your dream is programmer, right?
after that, I just learning programmer just by myself.
Mm.
So I don't pay any class or course for learning programming. Also, English I'm not paying.
You do with yourself.
Yeah, I
Yeah, also me also. I'm not course. I'm not study English in university. I study English directly at my job, Saudi Arabia, because I meet with 120 country people. Here they work with me together. Every day we have the every problem.
Yeah.
Because we meet with other people with many problem, but what can I do? I work with the hard situation, high pressure,
Yeah.
but I'm ready for make fix all the problem at car or people.
Correct. Because pressure is privilege, right?
Pressure every day fighting with the people from Saudi Arabia, from Arab, especially have Egypt also, and also from Pakistan, India.
I see. Yeah.
Because we have with high pressure.
Mhm.
We have working also with the high standard.
Okay.
That's why, yeah, we should be ready to fight every day. I start working 6 morning and 6 this one afternoon.
Mm.
Because car is many lines. Like this is very many.
I see.
Fix with the problem from the maintenance periodic, general repair, and complaining, and maybe more. But it's okay. A lot of things. That's why you work like superhero. But it's okay. This is the past moment. I know
Mhm.
I become teacher. I'm very happy. I share my knowledge to my student. Okay, Jima, I want to know about your activity from your home. Where do you live right now?
In Kiara Condong.
That's one.
Yeah,
How many hours you take time from your home to here?
30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Yeah.
With traffic, without traffic.
Without traffic jam.
So you are the one riding for faster your bike. How many kilometer are you?
High.
riding?
It just 16, 60.
60.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know this one. Like I remember when young, I using the Ninja before,
I see, I see.
but now it traffic a lot. I
Just give up.
cancel. Better using a scooter automatic.
Yeah,
More
yeah.
better. And then I know it's Bandung with traffic and if have big raining, you have the flooding everywhere. Yeah, if have the situation like this, all the student also feel same like you feel.
Mhm.
Do you have the tips how to become more motivation come to you to come to campus on time?
Okay, that's $1 million question actually. So, because sometimes I'm also come late to the campus. So, my advice is just maybe don't take it the campus class as the thing that you need to do, but just think like if you come into class, it will help you to get the feature that you want. So if you have that motivation, I think you will come to campus without late.
I don't know. Yeah, like me, I will now start to study my student in high school.
Mhm.
6:30
Mhm.
early morning. I'm arrive 6:30 at my school, and then I continue also. I 4:30. I come. Sorry, 3:30 afternoon. I'm should be arrive here to ready to study with my student also in STEAM Madeira. That's why for me I need more efforts, more power to coming here on time. I know we have many problem on the way, right? Traffic and raining and flooding.
Yeah.
Yeah, we should be care on the way. And coming here also, I talk to my student. We should be fighting about your life
Mhm.
because life is not waiting for you.
Correct.
You do it what you can do it in the future. This score or make it a more better life.
Correct. Correct.
And then now I'm running almost 2 months at Madeira. And then Alhamdulillah also my student understand because me, if I study with my student, I never give theory. We always practice directly because if my student need theory, they can get from AI.
Correct. Correct.
And then if need the application to speaking, they can take it from the application App Store.
Yeah. Correct.
We have the Duolingo many application.
Mhm.
And then this is tip. But with me, you meet with me ready to fight. Ready to fight. You can make it the content with a spill product,
Mhm.
or you can make it presentation and also simulation for case.
Yeah. I see.
Because English with me at my mind, we should be practice.
Mhm.
This
Agree.
is the point. Okay, Azim, next question also, or make it more happy to talk.
Okay.
What is your dream in the future?
Okay, that's also a good question. So for me, when I see Azima 10 years later, uh, I want to see, I want to myself has a, I don't know how to say, but maybe have a good career on
Mhm.
that, and then I'm also aiming that I want to go to the take a master degree also,
Mhm.
because for me
Local or abroad?
abroad
Abroad.
actually. So
Prepare.
yeah, prepare from now, because for me it is not just a get a certificate or something
Mhm.
like that, but also taking and understand the why foundation, and then to make more understand what's the academic in the other country, because
Mhm.
if we just in Bandung, such as in maybe like ITB or STEMIC Madira, something like that, just we will know just asking a friends who study in there. But if we go abroad, we will know about how they are thinking, and then I get a new experience about learning in the other country. So maybe that's what I want to get in 10 years from now.
Mhm.
So it
So you
is.
prepare in 10 years from now.
Good.
I also have the one friend when I was in Saudi Arabia. He worked with me. Uh, this one, Lexus. He named him from Saudi. He named Mukhtar. He will study in Canada. I talked to Mukhtar when he back to Saudi Arabia for vacation. I talked to him. What is your program to study there in Canada? He tell me 1 year only for English.
Mhm.
Make it complete English, speak, reading, writing, something like this. But after that, he can to choose what department he want to join. Because campus in other countries, especially Canada, it's very good for you to choose with what your interest to join.
Yeah, correct, correct.
Yeah, that's why if you want to abroad there, I think this is depend to you. You can open mind with the people and then talk to any people what you don't understand, not keep silent or introvert.
Yeah.
If you do like this, you can join. I mean, it's very easy for you to make it a connection
Mhm.
because people from other country also is very humble,
Yeah.
especially all student. It's very join with the group, come with you together, and all the problem solving they can do.
Yeah, correct, correct.
Yeah, that's why I talk to you. You're confident, you can do it. Because a lot of the people from Indonesia abroad to other country, they become success.
Mhm.
Because Indonesia here also, we have the culture how to keep the money, not too much spend or pay something without thinking. And then also, I see when I was in Saudi Arabia, I see the one work in Aramco,
Mhm.
they can take salary a month almost 200 million.
Oh, cool,
It's
cool.
very good. I talked to him is some manager or advisor for the drilling oil.
Mhm.
Well, this one very cool. People also need join, but this guy I see very disciplined and communication good also, and minor skills number one.
Yeah, that's the point.
Yeah, that's why you need work like my friend. Yeah, you can do it like I talked to you before.
Mhm.
Okay, Hajima, we have the last question for you.
Mhm.
If you graduation from the STEMIC Madura,
Mhm.
and then you work in other country, you abroad, and then you stay there, can you tell me what you want to do it in this condition if you work in other country
Okay.
or Madeira?
For Madeira.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a solid question actually. Because I don't know what I want to say about that question. Maybe what I can do in the other country,
Yeah.
and then when I work in that country, and then
For example, Germany, you're working there.
okay, so
Okay.
so I think when because I'm currently I'm engineer and
Mhm.
some of moment I need to teaching, maybe I can bring that Stevik Madira because a lot of people maybe want to know about
Mm.
this person Azima comes from which
Yeah.
university. Maybe I would just say confident from Stevik Madira.
Yes, we should be confident. Where I go before, I
Yeah.
from before. Yeah, yeah. This one very good question. Yeah, I hope you can more consistent because you are graduation from here from Madura. You yeah, recommended to people from other country also need study here Madura. I am the one ready to to become a
Teacher,
teacher,
yeah.
especially for engineer or computer also. But even I no background for computer, but I from English
Mhm.
communication basically have now make it dua language Duolingo.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, we not feel the time is running very fast.
Yeah, correct, correct.
Thank you for coming, Ajima.
Thank you.
I hope you are become a success always.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you for having me.
Yeah. If you have some time or spare time, you can come to my class to
Sure.
discuss.
Sure.
Okay. Thank you very much, guys. Well, kita tunggu. Seberapa menit sih?
28.
Cukup.
Okay.